Attempting a new India fills us with enormous amount of positive energy and happiness. When we do something new by applying the right formula, the results are obviously positive. This is Gopika here to talk about one of the important formula, self-confidence. A question may arise in all your minds. What is self-confidence? Here is your answer. Self-confidence means believing in yourself and your abilities. It is something that needs to be nurtured internally and it cannot be taught. Self-confidence is the key to success, or we can say the first step towards success. If a person has self-confidence, he or she has won half the battle. They always appear on top of the world and everything seems to go right for these self-confident people. If you pay attention, you might notice that these self-confident people are usually successful in every field of their life. Is this because they are smarter, or is it because they have more money, or maybe they are just lucky? The reality is that none of these things are true. These self-confident people know the impact of believing in themselves and their abilities. There is a saying that every success is incomplete without self-confidence. Every success is incomplete without self-confidence. One cannot achieve one's goal without self-confidence. Self-confidence makes a person optimistic, independent, loving, and positive in nature. All these characteristics are important to achieve our goals. Self-confidence allows us to face our failures and owns our flaws with great valor. Moreover, it helps us to rise when we fall. It inculcates a quality in us which ensures that we do not give up until we succeed. It is not so that a confident people or a person will always win and achieve success in their life. But a self-confident person knows how to overcome a difficult situation. With all these notes, let me give you a few examples of people who have achieved legendary success in their life by building up their self-confidence. The wonderful girl who has brilliantly triumphed over the triple afflictions of deafness, dumbness and blindness gave a talk with her lips on happiness. That is none other than the globally renowned American author and motivational speaker Helen Keller. She was the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Despite all her physical disabilities, Keller was determined to make a mark and overcome her disabilities through her self-confidence. Not only Helen, there are many people which includes Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Abraham Lincoln, Marie Pen, Thomas Alva Edison and Albert Einstein to achieve success in their life by sharing a common quality called self-confidence. Talking about what is confidence, what is the impact of that, is all okay. Where does this confidence start from or grows from? To answer this question, let me narrate you a situation. A baby is born. As a part of its growth, it starts to crawl. When it succeeds in that, the baby provides a bright smile which shows the self-confidence it possesses. As it grows further, the baby reaches the next level. The baby doesn't lose its hope until it achieves and succeeds. Thus, the self-confidence is the seed in yourself and it starts within you. Even now, what we are enjoying, like the technologies, didn't come at the snap of a finger. The person behind it or the inventor went through many failures and finally achieved. They were able to do so only because of the self-confident level they had. We all would have survived in a dark, black world if Thomas Edison had lost his hope. I'd like to say a Tirukural in my mother tongue, Tamil, so which goes like this. Which means the success cannot be provided to you by God or anyone else. It needs to be achieved by your confidence along with the hard work. It needs to be achieved by yourself, by your confidence. So let me conclude my talk by saying that your success will be determined by your self-confidence, and the most beautiful thing you can bear is your confidence. Make sure that confidence is not they will like me or not. It is I will be fine even if they don't. So before leaving, I'd like to ask you a question. To reach success or to achieve achievements in your life, What would be your first investment? Is it money or any material good? But believe me, if you invest your self-confidence as your first investment, I am sure you will reach the success. Start the journey of success, taste the feel of success, and rock the world with your achievements. It is Gopika signing off.